What's going on, traders? Today is Tuesday, May 19th. It's about 2 minutes until the bell opens. I'm going to be pretty careful trading today because Mnuchin and Powell are coming on in 30 minutes at 10 a.m. Eastern to testify in front of the Senate. I don't know how the market will react, but I'm going to take smaller position sizes. I'm watching Home Depot and Walmart out of the gates. I will pause it once I find a trade. Okay, the market is officially open. We'll see how the market wants to react on the open, but I'm going to pause it here, and once I find a trade, I will cut back. Okay, I'm watching Home Depot under 240, and there it goes. I'm in at 239.69. Pretty fast mover here. Stop is around 240.70. Looking for a profit of 238.70. Okay, there's 238.70, 50. All right, taking one share off there. So I have one more share. I'll put it a little bit under or above break even. 239.76. Put at 239.45. Okay, so I got one more order at 239.45. If it wants to stop me out, that's fine. But I'll look for another stock to trade. Okay, I'm watching Abbott under 90. If it wants to come down. Okay, I got stopped out of Home Depot, so on the two shares I made $1.25 in roughly 8 minutes. Again, it could have been way more, but I'm not too comfortable trading the market right now because I don't see a clear direction. But for a buck on two shares in 8 minutes, that's amazing, and you can't complain about that. Okay, I think it's time for Abbott to come under 90. Market is moving down. Some big buyers at 90, but let's hope that they get cleared. Okay, a little late to it, but 89.99. But that's the clear. Took 5 shares short on Abbott ABT, and we'll see if it wants to come down here. Stop is going to be around 90.50, so I'm looking for around 50 cents a share, so around 89.49. Market is making that new low. Anytime the market makes a new low, assuming the stock is somewhat correlated to the market, that stock should come down as well. The market is somewhat of an undercurrent that will help determine and influence price action in other stocks. Now, if a stock, let's say, has a separate news catalyst like Home Depot or Walmart today, where they have a much more powerful force that's driving them, they may be less resistant to ebbs and flows in the market. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just watching the level 2, which are these numbers. On the left, you have the buyers. So those are the people who potentially want to purchase a stock. And you can see the prices at which they're willing to purchase and the volume or the number of buyers at each price. On the left or on the right side, you have the sellers. Those are the people who actively own the stock, and what they're wanting to do is sell their shares of the stock, and it shows the price at which they're willing to sell the stock. And of course, you have the volume, the number of sellers at each price point. And this fluctuates real time as the price moves up or down as supply or demand. Well, supply stays the same essentially, but as demand increases or decreases. Now, supply could change if there was a split or a second round, but that usually happens with penny stocks. But for a large corporation like Abbott, you typically wouldn't expect to see that. Right here is the time in sales. This is just essentially, so of the orders that get transacted from here, they show up here. So this just shows you the actual transaction log between the buyers and the sellers. So once a buyer meets a seller, their transaction is then printed on here, and that's called the time in sales. So the time in sales and the level 2 are directly related. And the chart, which you see here, the chart is based off the level 2 and the time in sales. So there's no point in really watching the chart move up and down because you see it in real time on level 2. Powell and Mnuchin come on in 6 minutes. I'm going to be watching that. So I'll probably cut the video around here, upload it, and watch Powell and Mnuchin. And I'll see you tomorrow for a live day trading on Wednesday, May 20th. If you like this type of content, please subscribe because it helps me out and helps the channel out. If you like the video, click the like button. That enables the YouTube SEO to pick up on the video so more people could watch it. And if you did trade today, comment down below what you traded, if you had a green day or a red day. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow for Wednesday's live day trading recap.